Greetings ITCE students and welcome to week 10. So this video is our first video for the week and it covers slides 1 through 5. Our agenda, an overview of the hiring process, which is kind of an introduction to this final unit in the course, and then a look at the cover letter and resume assignment, and I'm going to spend the whole class explaining how to do the cover letter and resume assignment. So HR. So HR stands for Human Resources. So what does the Human Resources Department do? That's what we're going to be looking at over the final weeks of the semester. And I invite you to pause the video right now and read the information down here so you can understand what each of these things means in the context of or from the point of view of the HR department. So as an IT professional, if you were hired and working at a company, you might be involved with the HR process. Okay, so after you get hired and you're working somewhere, the HR team, department, person, depending how big your organization is, might reach out to you and ask for help with different parts of the process. And again, I invite you to pause the video and read through some of my examples of how you might be involved. So like I said, over the next few weeks, we're going to look at the hiring process and we'll talk about it from the job applicant's point of view, not from as if you were hired and working at a company and assisting the HR team. We're going to look at it from your perspective as a soon-to-be graduating student interacting with them. Okay, and that concludes video 1 for week 10.